We live in a time of tools, of technology, of endless possibilities. Artificial intelligence is changing our world faster than we can sometimes grasp. But in the midst of all this innovation, one question remains. Who are you and who do you want to be? This video isn't about technical details. It's about you, your choices, your thinking, your humanity in a world that's starting to look more and more like a machine. AI can do a lot these days. It analyzes data, creates business plans, writes texts, paints pictures, streamlines workflows. It saves time. It boosts efficiency. In many areas, it's faster, sharper, better than we are. But then it reaches a limit because some things just can't be measured, can't be optimized, can't be automated. AI can't tell you what fulfills you deep down. It knows nothing about your story, your dreams, your why. Technology is powerful, but it's not a compass, and it's definitely not a mirror to your soul. Scroll, swipe, consume. Your feed knows what you like. AI tells you what you want. But what happens when you only see what you're meant to see? We forget how to ask ourselves the hard questions. We forget silence. We forget depth. When everything is curated, what's left of you? What happens to the ability to think for yourself, to choose for yourself? What happens to intuition? You are not just a user, not just a consumer. You are a human with awareness, with responsibility, with the freedom to choose. A feeling, a listening, a holding. It's a process where honesty matters more than speed. AI can support you, but it can't look into your heart. Real progress starts within. Not in your tools, but in your mindset. In the flood of stimulation and optimization, we must not lose one essential thing: our connection to ourselves, the ability to reflect, to ask, who am I? What do I truly want? Not what gets the most clicks or conversions, but what makes me come alive. This isn't a step backwards. It's progress in a different direction. Back to what matters, back to the self. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool. And like any tool, it can either empower you or control you. You decide how you use it. You decide whether you follow or lead. And you decide what truly drives you. Because once you realize that, you'll see. The most powerful algorithm is your own inner compass. So if this resonates with you, follow along. Leave a comment. What truly drives you? And above all, keep coming home to yourself. Again and again.